How to introduce your baby to solids. It's really exciting when your baby starts to join in at mealtimes. In this video, we'll go through our top tips for starting solids right. The first thing to think about is making your baby comfortable. A hungry or sleepy tot won't take to a brand new experience well, so make sure he's had a nap and has been given half a feeding of milk. Be sure to only give half of the usual feeding, or he won't want anything else to eat. Choosing which food you're going to start baby off with is up to you. Baby cereal mixed with your baby's usual breast milk or formula is a good option, as it won't be completely foreign to your little one. A smooth, runny puree is another suggestion. You can puree all sorts of fruit and vegetables. Apple, pear, and sweet potato can go down really well. And mashed banana is a favorite with lots of infants. Some moms offer finger foods straight away, like pieces of apple or carrot cut into small pieces. This is called baby-led weaning. Baby can then pick the pieces up and put them in their own mouth. If you're doing the feeding, start off slowly, and with a spoon or clean finger, offer just a tiny bit of solid food at a time. It's really important to know your stuff about what foods to avoid. Things like nuts, honey, and salt are big no-nos. And remember, always check that food is cool enough before giving your baby a taste. And try and be as relaxed as you can if your baby makes a mess. Your baby needs to be free to touch and hold and play with his food. It'll make eating solids fun for him, and he'll be happily chowing down before you know it.